Our founder, Asher Dick Kelty, made it his mission to get newbies out into the backcountry with minimal fuss and maximum fun. It'd take an amazing pack to bear his name. Our new Asher is that guy. Ready for the wild, but streamlined for the city, the Asher offers an advanced perimeter frame for superb stability, a padded shoulder harness, and adjustable webbing to lighten your load. The FitPro torso adjustment gives you a custom fit. The AmpFlow back panel keeps you cool on the trail. The Asher pack is also a storage superstar. Aside from its massive main compartment, we've got dual water bottle sleeves. We also have a front-facing large zipper accessory pocket. We've also got a special spot down here for your sleeping bag and a stretchy hip belt pocket for your cell phone. Side compression straps keeps your stuff locked down tight. Special loops keep your trekking poles close at hand. The Asher Pack from Kelty, your gateway to the greater outdoors.